Okay, here we are in Love in Function 1, no? May isang babae ditong sumashare, hindi ko kilala. I don't know kung sino siya, no? We'll just interview her. Pumunta ka dito, camera girl. Hi girl, anong pangalan mo?
I'm Faye. I'm beautiful.
Hey, I don't care, no? What is your talent?
Dancing on the screen.
Ay, akala ko kumakanta ka sa ganyang klaseng kalagayan.
Oh my God. Ganito lang ako tumayaw. Tulungan mo tumayaw.
Sample, please. Wow.
Oh, ikaw na, Madam President.
I can do it, no?
Okay.
I can't. No?
Oh, why you can?
I care about my job, ma'am, and I care about you, no?
Perfect. Kanya sa'yo.
Yung isa dito na naman tayo, siya naka-pink na lady. Oh, what are you doing, girl?
Make up.
Make up? So,
Make up ko.
So, do you want to be shimmer?
Yes.
Do you want to follow Mom Valier?
No.
Ay, akala ko. Where's your shimmering lipstick and your eyeshadows?
Yan. Tuwata mo, babe. Tuwata mo, shimmering din.
Ay, nag-shimmer din sila, no? Bakit ako
Ano
walang,
ba?
walang emote-emote? Just look at my Friendster na lang, no? At that is my report.
Thank you. Bawda yun.